Okay, this one will be specific to GoDaddy. We'll be connecting a domain to ClickFunnels. So we go to use an existing domain, enter in the domain address, and then the next page it's going to come up and tell us that we need to add a CNAME record to the www, and it needs to say target.clickfunnels.com. So we come over to GoDaddy. I've already clicked on domain, my domains manage, which brings me up to my records. So right here we are, www. We need to make this say points to target.clickfunnels.com, and then it could take up to 48 hours for this to happen. It doesn't usually. We'll come back over here and tell ClickFunnels that we've done that. Does usually take some time, a few minutes anyways. So I'm connected here, my domain. If you get into your host records and for some reason your www isn't there and you need to add it, it's really simple. You just click on your add a CNAME record. Your host is going to be www, and it's going to point to target.clickfunnels.com. It's really easy. Don't let it intimidate you. There's no reason to. I'm showing you the back end way to connect this because the box that comes up, it says you're successfully connected. You can associate it with your funnel or just go to my funnel. I chose just go to my funnel. So what we need to do here is we can connect it to our funnel here, whatever the funnel name is. I'm not going to for the purpose of this video, but you just simply click on it, click save, and then when people type that in, they will get your funnel. Perhaps if you have an error, it hasn't resolved, just come in here. It's going to tell you this is danger zone. Just tell it go ahead and delete the domain. And then once you're connected, you can also request an SSL certificate for it. Just expand, add SSL, and then ClickFunnels will add that automatically for you free of charge in your ClickFunnels membership.